Welcome back. This is a guided meditation with Phantom. Sometimes working on masks can get overwhelming, so I invite you to sit back and relax to listen to the sound of Phantom's voice as he guides you on a journey of self-discovery. Make sure you're sitting down. Close your eyes maybe. Whatever it takes to become fully immersed. Now, I want you to clear your mind of all the horrors in the world. Try not to think about the endless conflicts that have plagued mankind from the start. There's no need to focus on the mayhem and senseless violence you see on the news. Don't think about the many, many signs of the coming apocalypse or the impending doom that surrounds us every day. Just clear your mind of the ticking time bomb that is our society and try to forget all the brutal and terrible insults you suffered as a child, like when people called you ugly or stupid, or when they said, "Your mama's so fat, when she goes camping, the bears hide." The bears hide. Okay? So now that you've cleared your mind of this hopeless, evil existence that you lament, and aren't thinking about all the vile and treacherous things that you're afraid of, like disease-carrying mosquitoes, I want you to imagine you're standing in a room, and on the walls in this room are 1,000 Jason masks. Your friends and family are far, far away. It's just you and your favorite pet. And you're both just staring and realizing that this room has every conceivable hawk known to man. Even the dreaded Jason X pre-Uber mask is there. You decide to close your eyes and pick one at random. Huh? What's this? The Vengeance title card mask. What a lucky pick. You put the mask on, and instantly your clothes change into Vengeance Jason. Looking down, you realize you have become Vengeance Jason. You immediately leave the room after grabbing your favorite weapon to go about business as usual at the lake. Wait a minute. What I'm describing is literally Camp Forest Green. You don't need to listen to Phantom rant about some bullshit. You can go play this game right now. I mean, maybe they don't have every conceivable Jason, but damn near close. You can play it on your PC. It's only 15 gigs. Check it out. Right now, they've got 70,000 members on Discord and growing. You can download the game from their Discord. There's plenty of videos about how to download it. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with more mask videos.